Real-world case studies, insights and learnings from successful ThriveCart users. ThriveCart in action, unveiling stories of success from real users. ThriveCart isn't just a platform, it's a springboard for countless entrepreneurs to launch, scale, and thrive in the digital world. To capture the true essence of its power, let's delve into the inspiring journeys of real-life ThriveCart users who have transformed their businesses and achieved remarkable results. Case Study 1, From Side Hustle to Empire, Sarah's story. Sarah, a fitness enthusiast, started blogging about healthy recipes and workout routines as a side hustle. Using ThriveCart, she seamlessly integrated her blog with a membership platform, offering exclusive workout plans and meal guides. Within a year, her membership revenue exploded, surpassing her full-time job income. ThriveCart's automation features and targeted email sequences nurtured leads, while A/B testing helped optimize her landing pages for maximum conversions. Sarah is now a full-time entrepreneur, inspiring others with her online fitness empire built on ThriveCart. Case Study 2, Global Reach, Local Touch, Antonio's success story. Antonio, a Spanish-language coach, wanted to reach students worldwide. ThriveCart's multilingual checkout interface and global payment gateway integrations allowed him to accept payments from across the globe without any technical hassle. The platform's powerful automations delivered personalized learning materials based on student location and level, creating a unique and engaging experience. Antonio's online courses are now flourishing, with students from diverse backgrounds connecting and learning together under his guidance, thanks to the global reach and localized touch facilitated by ThriveCart. Case Study 3, From Brick and Mortar to Digital Powerhouse, Emily's transformation. Emily, the owner of a thriving bakery, wanted to expand her reach beyond her local storefront. ThriveCart enabled her to create an online store, seamlessly integrating it with her existing inventory management system. The platform's powerful abandoned cart recovery feature minimized lost sales, while targeted email campaigns based on purchase history personalized the customer experience and boosted repeat business. Emily's online bakery is now buzzing with activity, complementing her physical store and establishing her as a dominant force in the local market, all thanks to ThriveCart's digital transformation capabilities. These are just a few examples of the diverse success stories fueled by ThriveCart. Each user journey is unique, highlighting the platform's adaptability and ability to cater to various business needs and goals. Learning from real-world success. Focus on providing value. The common thread among these success stories is a strong focus on delivering valuable content, products, or services to their target audience. Leverage automation. ThriveCart's automation features help users streamline workflows, personalize experiences, and save time, allowing them to focus on strategic growth initiatives. Embrace data-driven decisions. A/B testing and analytics provide valuable insights for optimizing funnels and maximizing conversions. Utilize integrations. The flexibility to connect with other platforms opens doors to new marketing channels and enhances the overall customer experience. Remember, success stories are not just inspiring, they are actionable roadmaps. By learning from the experiences of others and actively utilizing ThriveCart's powerful features, you too can turn your business dreams into reality. Ready to write your own ThriveCart success story? Don't hesitate to explore the platform, utilize the resources available, and draw inspiration from these real-world examples. The path to digital success is paved with innovation, strategic execution, and a little help from ThriveCart.